We'll guide you through how to send a Stripe email receipt quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Stripe dashboard, which is the main control center for all your transactions and settings. Look at the left-hand side of the screen and you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the Payments option from this menu. This will take you to a list of all your recent transactions. Find the specific transaction for which you want to send a receipt. You can use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly by typing in the customer's name or the transaction ID. Once you've found the transaction, click on it to open the transaction details page. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Send Receipt or Email Receipt. Click on this button, and a dialog box will appear. Here, you may need to confirm the customer's email address. Make sure that the email address is correct, as this is where the receipt will be sent. If everything looks good, click the Send button to dispatch the receipt. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the receipt has been sent successfully. Keep in mind that Stripe automatically sends receipts for successful payments if this feature is enabled in your settings, but doing it manually ensures that the customer gets the receipt when needed. It's a good habit to double-check your settings in the Settings section under Email Receipts to ensure everything is configured as you want. This way, you can manage and automate your receipt sending more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.